Hello guys, welcome to Irha's Family 2. Today we're going to open this LOL present surprise, and I'm Irha Corn. I'm going to open this. First I have to grab this scissor. Irha Ted taught me. I'm going to cut this open. Wait. Cut. I cut this. Alright, it's still there. It's still tight. What is this? Manuals? I don't really need manuals for LOLs. Again. A LOL is pretty crazy. Something right. Oh, you. Now I have to open this. What happened? Alright, there's tape on this. Seriously? Whoa. That was mighty. Ooh. Ooh, this is a hat. Ooh. I'm gonna build this later. In a bag. Now let's open, what is it? Now you're opening this surprise. Surprise! This says party time. Because, get it, because there's a clock and there's a thing. Party time, that means, I guess, I know, you think. And ooh, what's this? This is the collector guide. Who do we want to get? Ooh, there's so much stylish ones. Which one will we collect? See them all? Which one is your favorite? This one I'm going to open is, woo, what is this? Big. We got this shirt. It's a little different than real LOL size. Ew, it has this pretty star top that's kind of translucent and this red top. This is pretty for such a LOL. That's our LOL. Let's open this. This is here. And it is our. Oh, it got a pretty cup too. I think it's gonna be thirsty after that. Now what is this? Can't really see. Woo! It does. Oh, it's a star. I think it's from a countryside. You know those people that are on the countryside? I think she's one of those. Ooh, and this, let's see. What do we got? Let's see. Oh, it takes pictures. So it can take pictures. It can take a picture. So this LOL likes to take a picture. I think that's her best friend. And ooh, look at this tiny flat one. Let's open it up. And it says her tiny shoes, of course. LOLs have to have their shoes. And also this. What's inside? Their LOL. I get a clue. Maybe she's a candy. Let's check. Where is she in the list? Oh, here she is. Her name is. We will read her name a little later. Let's make her stuff. And again, oh, here. Wait. So, here's instructions that we don't really need to need. This is telling us how to make a hat. Here is please. You does. I think I know how to read this. Then these parts. Then put this part here. Hey, wait. It'll be a little different. Slot. Where's the slot? It'll take time. Put that in the slot. Slot open. I think I know what, you know why? You see why these are ultra rares? Because it's their birthday, that's why. So look at what, I found out what this camera is for. It's the gift. Like I think whoever is the ultra rare, I think he's gonna give that to the ultra rare. And if she needs to put her tops, because I don't think she needs to be naked. Does she want to be naked? There. And put this gummy shirt on. Ow. Come on. Dear. She got some stars on there. And she needs her glasses to look really great. I'll put these glasses on her. There, Neil. Here. And go right here. Look at her. She got her glasses on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna rock the party. And I need her shoes. That she will have nice feet. Yeah, those look really good. Now we're gonna come back. Here you go. You look so good. And her sippy cup. It's tasty. Party time! It's party time! My gift is a camera. And look, it's a picture. You see? It's a picture with... I see her! You see? You see her is in the picture. She's in the picture. She's taking a picture with someone. Is she ultra rare or is she in their dust? Oh, yeah, it's her birthday. This is Jubilee. See, she is nice and happy. I'm ready to go to the party. I got this nice camera as a gift for the party. Oh, look, Ching. Oh, look, I also took a picture of me and my friend. So they could see me. So they could remember this day. I'm going to put it back in the party bag for them. Because I took a picture. And also my party hat. They can't allow me without the party hat. Because they need to know I am their person. Because what is a party without a party hat? And if I'm tired, because we are going to play a lot of games, I need to drink some water. Because then I'll feel nice and fresh. Oh, yeah. It's nice to meet you, Unicorn. It's nice too. Thank you for watching my video. And subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. Bye. Bye.